OraiChain, world's first AI-powered oracle and ecosystem for blockchains. Let's introduce you guys to world's first AI-powered oracle and ecosystem for blockchains known as OraiChain, which has shocked the creator of Avalanche. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHub, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So let's begin the video without any further delay with obviously the introduction of the OraiChain. So in simple words, and very briefly, we can say that OraiChain is a data oracle platform that aggregates and connects artificial intelligence API to smart contracts and regular applications. And this is what the world needed, so it has arrived. Moving on, let's get into details and learn why this is big and will be even bigger in the future. So, what exactly is the AI oracle of OraiChain? As previously stated, OraiChain improves smart contracts by allowing them to securely access external AI API. While most blockchain platforms currently focus on price oracles, smart contracts on OraiChain can use reliable AI data. This gives DApp users access to new and valuable features. OraiChain is used by systems by sending requests to validators, which acquire and test data from various AI API and store it on-chain, ensuring reliability and allowing it to be used as proof in the future. Then Orai even has its own marketplace. The OraiChain AI Marketplace is a place where artificial intelligence is brought into the blockchain. Here, AI providers can sell their AI services in exchange for Orai tokens. AI-based yield farming, face authentication, price prediction, and other services are examples of such services. Providers can host their models on OraiChain without relying on third parties. This allows small AI companies and individuals to compete with larger ones while also gaining exposure to users all over the world. The development team will initially provide some AI services as a foundation for others to join in. Meanwhile, users and developers can pay for AI services with Orai tokens. And there is even more, so the AI ecosystem of OraiChain extends beyond the AI marketplace. It includes AI infrastructure that supports AI providers in building their models before deploying them onto the OraiChain network. A complete and fully functional web GUI is expected to assist AI providers in publishing their services easier and faster. The ecosystem also allows users to follow the overall flow of the handling of their AI request, from start to finish. This helps increase the transparency and integrity of the system, allowing users to easily see malicious providers or validators who execute the request poorly. Isn't it a great invention? Does it even look a little similar to what every blockchain is doing? No, and that is why I believe in the potential of this coin. But wait, because there is a lot more, specifically staking and earning. Here, users can become delegators and stake tokens into a specific validator in order to increase the validator's power within the blockchain network. This gives validators a better chance of completing requests. While delegators earn a portion of the validator's commission, the delegators, on the other hand, must closely monitor their chosen validators, as a malicious validator may attempt to circumvent the system's rules in order to earn more. In such cases, all of the delegator stake tokens will be slashed. In other words, there's a close relationship between the two entities, and they should both be accountable for delivering a high-quality system environment. Additionally, at the end of March 2022, OraiChain's MAINNET 2.0 upgrade went live, including several enhancements made since the original MAINNET 1.0 network was launched. And that caused a huge hype that even the creator of Avalanche heard. This milestone marked the beginning of the rollout of new features, such as Layer 2 rollups to speed up its AI oracles and service execution subnetworks. Furthermore, the launch of OraiChain's decentralized exchange, OraiDEX, coincided with the release of MAINNET 2.0. MAINNET 2.0 is a significant upgrade to the OraiChain network in order to prepare it for mass adoption and interoperability with other chains in the blockchain space. Some of the most significant enhancements it has brought are increased interoperability via relaying protocols and bridges, as well as IBC within Cosmos SDK-based networks. It also adds customized Layer 2 rollup for increased scalability. And finally, we can say that with many more sidechain and Layer 2 chain integrations to follow suit in the near future, this interoperability solution bridges the integration gap that has long existed within the pioneer blockchains. Concretely, the MAINNET 2.0 launch of OraiChain comes with both the user-facing interface and the node software. And believe me, This is big as Orai only is around 2 million of supply and right now has a market cap of $15 million. Further, you can do your own research and invest in it if found worthy. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about OraiChain, so as I always say, do mention it below in the comment box. And also let us know if you think OraiChain will be big in the coming months or not. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.